Freedom of speech, expression, and assembly are fundamental rights of all persons and are central to the mission of the university. The University of Texas at El Paso promotes the exchange of ideas and is committed to providing an educational and work environment that values diversity of thought. UTEP will protect the rights of students, staff, faculty, and members of the community to assemble, speak, and attempt to attract the attention of others, and corresponding rights to hear the speech of others when they choose to listen and ignore the speech of others when they choose not to listen. These activities, however, are subject to the well-established rights of colleges and universities to regulate time, place, and manner so that these activities do not intrude upon or interfere with the academic programs, administrative processes, or other authorized activities of UTEP. We encourage you to learn more about UTEP's freedom of speech, expression, and assembly policy by visiting our website. UTEP is a place for the exchange of ideas and differing perspectives. I encourage everyone to continue to work together to foster a campus community that values and embraces differences.